Now, we're going to use some of the properties of these gases to make some experiments. And in particular, we're going to use sulfur hexafluoride. Now, like I said at the beginning, you mustn't try any of the experiments we do today at home. Like the lycopodium, for example, you did in hand me, Dave. Where is it? Where is it? Well, where is it? Well, it was on the table. Was, isn't, is, mate, is it? Right, hold this. 3, 2, 1. You mustn't try. You mustn't try anything we're going to do at home, and in particular, you mustn't breathe any gases, apart from air, of course. Okay? Now we've got two gases. We've got one here called helium, and I'm sure you've met helium before. Helium is found in those balloons that float up to the sky, and it's also found in the sun, isn't it, Dave? Are you paying attention? Right, okay, so, move over there. Now, do you know what happens when you breathe helium? Angiel school. In English, what happens? Yes, correct! Your voice goes up. Now, I don't expect you to come all the way here and pay for our plane tickets just to hear a voice go up with helium. So here, we've got a gas that makes our voice go down. It's sulfur hexafluoride that was in the other balloon that I threw over there. So, we are going to breathe those gases, and then we're going to sing you a song. And then you will all applaud us and throw 100 ruble notes on the stage. No, I was joking about the ruble notes. Right, okay, so, Dave, wait, hang on. I need a prop for this one. Can you start a gas on, please? What? Not funny. A bit less. Oh, come on, mate.
I think it's working now.
Yes, I think my voice is going up now.
That's all right, ready?
Yes, I think I'm ready.
Yes.
Okay.
And now the end is near.
And so I face my final curtain. The flames of Sideshow. I'll make it now. The final curtain.
I live a life that's full. I travel each and every highway, and much more than this. I think
Now then, Dave did indeed get the worst bit of that experiment, because helium crosses the blood-brain barrier. No, that's enough. But I have to breathe harder and faster, because sulfur hexafluoride is 6 times heavier than air. So, like I said, don't try it at home, but we know what we're doing. What are you doing? You don't know what you're doing, do you? Right, can you put the SF6 in the SF6 tank ready? Because I can feel a nautical theme coming on. Right, I just need to, hang on a minute, I just need to adjust my hat a bit to a more jaunty angle. Right, anyway, this next experiment, we need a seafaring Russian person. Hello, give it up for... Your name?
Oh, my name is Elijah.
In English again?
Elijah.
Elijah, give it up for Elijah! Right. Pull the tank forward a bit. Now, the reason we need Elijah, come here, my friend, is that this experiment involves something that looks like it's a big trick, okay? And English people, they come here and they show you all their special chemistry. We need to make sure it's not a trick. And Elijah is going to help us launch our boat, the SS Nothing, the SS Moscow. Right, okay. Now, Elijah, do you know why boats float?
Oh, I didn't.
Yes or no?
No.
You're a hero. All right. Now, boats float because... Do you know how boats float? He doesn't. Anyway, does anyone know how a boat floats? Why does a boat float? Does anyone here know how a boat floats? In English or in Russian? Does anyone tell us how a boat floats? And what he said was, no, he said it to me in my ear, he said that the boat contains a gas that's less dense than water and therefore the boat floats. Now I told you that sulfur hexafluoride is 6 times heavier than air. We have a boat here, so I wonder if the air inside the boat will keep the boat afloat. And we need a proper Russian sailor, not this multicoloured English sailor, like Elijah. Right, Elijah, you're going to float the boat for us. Are you? No. Right, okay. What you're going to do is lift up the corner of the runway. So, we'll count from 5 downwards. Ivan, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
And the audience. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Can we see that our boat is indeed floating on a sea of SF6? But I need Elijah to act as the scrutineer. So lift the boat out with both hands, please. Lift it out. And put it back. Put it back. And you see it floats. Isn't that fantastic? Yes, it is. Give it up for Elijah. Well done. Oi, that's my hat. Thank you very much. What a fantastic scientist. Anyway, how do I prove that the tank is full of SF6?
If I breathe it in, my voice goes down.
There's the top. Now,
Hopefully, we've got time. We can sink the boat. Give it up for the SF6 boat.
now then, we need to move on and look at other gases, don't we, Dave? Right, and there is a gas around us. Not oxygen, not nitrogen. Are you creeping up on my stage? Are you coming on my stage? Yes. He says, I wish. Right, there is a gas that, when you... Dave, what are you doing? There is a gas with an identity crisis. First of all, we all know that matter exists in 3 forms. Solid, liquid, and gas. All right? The 3 states of matter. And you change from a solid to a liquid by adding heat, and from a liquid to a gas by adding heat. And there is a compound that doesn't follow the rules. Are you all right, Dave? The water, right. Now, in here, I have a gas that's very, very cold. It's so cold, it's turned into a solid. I have here, of course, the terrible cold power of solid carbon dioxide! Oh. Right, Dave. Yeah, solid carbon dioxide. Now, can you come and hold my microphone for me, please? You stop. Talk to my wife over there. Here comes the water girl. Right, okay. Thank you. Carbon dioxide is a gas, and if you cool it down enough, it turns into a solid, and we call it dry ice. And this happens at a temperature of minus 78. Minus 78? 78 degrees colder than ice. Now, that means I have to keep it moving on my hands, or I'll get frostbite. Come on, let's go with the mic, right? And I certainly will throw it in my mouth, because I'll get the flowers on. Ow! Ultra spasnia. Anyway, right, we're going to do an experiment with carbon dioxide. Right, this is hot water. It's boiling water, and we're putting it in here. That looks like it's got a hole in it, actually. Has that got a hole in it? Better not. Right, okay. You ready, Dave? 3, 2, 1. Now, you can see the carbon dioxide turning from a solid to a gas. That's the first thing. The second thing is all the gas is going down. We've just proved that carbon dioxide is denser than air. Now, Dave, just hold this. Not the glove I wanted, of course. We can also prove that gases occupy more space than liquids or solids. Because, are you paying attention? Hey, mister. Not safe. Oh, how about that then? Just keep an eye on the children pushing forward. Just keep an eye on the children. They're coming too close. All right. Now then, Dave. I can't believe it. We put the risk assessment in, and they let us do the exploding bottle. Mike, can you come and charge a bottle for me, or get Dave to? Or are you doing the sound? Right, okay. Now, the bottle's over here. What we thought we'd do was, because we're in Russia, we thought we'd do a really, really interesting experiment, one we've never tried before. This here is a polyethylene terephthalate bottle. It's a Coca-Cola bottle, and it's designed to withstand high pressure. So what we thought we'd do, sorry man, we'll just wait for you to finish our conversation, shall we, chaps? No, it's danger. It's not good. What we're going to do is... Come here. Come back here again. No, wait. Give me a pair of safety glasses. I just saw the universal language of science. What's your name, please? Timothy. Can you do, without saying anything, just do what you did just down there? You put... I saw your arms. You would put the cup...
Показывай, что ты показал.
Do it for everyone.
Просто
put the glasses on. And just do what you did then. You're explaining it to your friends. With the hands.
Повтори, что делал.
Brilliant! He just told me what's going to happen. What a great guy. Alright, precisely. What we're going to do is we're going to put solid carbon dioxide into the bottle. And then we're going to put hot water in, and it's going to splash around all over me and maybe give me a terrible scalding and burning, but that's okay, as long as you're understanding some science, it's okay by me. My children will understand. And we'll put the lid on, and then there's going to be a big bang, all right, a big bang, and maybe some water will splash over there. So I'm going to ask all the children to step back, please. Step back a bit, please. Come on. Come on, step back a bit. Right, Dave, are you nearly there? Right, we're going to use... Sorry, it's my phone. No, sorry. My phone. Is that your phone or my phone? Give me a phone, quickly. Whose phone is that? Whose phone is it? I got my iPhone. Sorry, hang on. Hello? Who's that? It's the safety officer. It's the university safety officer. What do you want? He says, what? He says the exploding bottle is too dangerous. Ultra? Spasnia. Anyway, he says we can't do it. He says we can't do the exploding bottle. What do you think?
No.
Do it or don't do it?
Do it.
I'm sorry, Mr. Safety Officer, the Russian audience said we've got to do it. Okay, I'll say goodbye then. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Okay. Anyway, we can do it. We're going to do the exploding bottle. How are you getting on, Dave? What do you mean getting there? We're not getting there. Come on, hurry up.